Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I want to show you behind the scenes of a wedding I photographed in New Jersey at the Park Chateau Estate and Garden. The entire footage was captured on my Osmo Pocket 3 and a few was captured on my drone. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. So right here I'm trying to get some detailed shots of the shoes. I'm doing like a close-up overhead, and then what I'm going to do now is pretty much just turn the light off just for a different look. And I'm going to try to get more of a wider angle shot, but lower. So what I'm saying right now to my second photographer is that I like the fact that when I turn the power off the Osmo Pocket 3, the audio stops immediately if the microphone is actually turned on. So now what I'm using is the Canon 100mm macro. This is an old Canon lens that I used before I switched over to Sony, and it's really good, and it's shot with the MC11. So now I'm having my assistant kind of lift the light up a little bit more because I'm gonna get some close-up shots, and I really want to get the sparkle in the diamond. So always, guys, remember to get different angles to get different perspectives. Yes, 50. So now I want to do some solo shots of all three rings, and I'm going to be using the LEDs, as you can see right there. I have one on the left side and one on the right side, so I get this sparkle effect from both sides of the stones on the rings. And what I also do is I added a fairy light in the background, just so that the background is not so dark, and it kind of gives a nice effect because I'm shooting at a lower aperture. There you go. And you'll see how it comes out once I set it up. Like I said, 100mm macro Canon MC11 adapter. So here now I'm just doing some shots to change location for the bride, because this is where she's going to be getting her, doing her getting ready. So she's going to be doing her getting ready here. So what I'm doing right now is I want to get some shots, like a shoot through for the shoes and the dress. And you'll see me kind of stop my assistant right here because she was kind of saying something while I was talking into the mic, but I realized that my mic was actually turned off. All right. So try not to let it dip so much, a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. So it's almost like you're admiring the dress. All right?
Okay.
You know exactly why you bought it? Because you love it, right? I want you to express that to me in pictures. But you're not going to look at me too much. All right? Don't say that, because that's not true. All right, here we go. So nice smiles. Hold it right there. Beautiful. Hold that. Gorgeous. Look at me for one. Gorgeous. Awesome. Perfect. Look at the hanger. I can look at the hanger right there. Gorgeous. Stay right there. Step towards this way a little bit more. More. And then rotate a little bit more this way. Good. No, that way. Turn your body this way. No. And then back up towards me now. Good. There you go. Remember, don't let it hang on. So bring it back a little bit more. Don't set it on under. Beautiful. That's it right there. Perfect. Good. Hold right there. Look at the hanger one more time. Beautiful. Just like that. Look at me. Beautiful. Hold right there. Perfect. Gorgeous. Awesome. One more shot. Stay right there, ladies. Look over your shoulder one more time. Beautiful. Can you lower the dress on this side for me? Just a little bit lower. Yeah, right. Perfect. Hold that. Smile. Gorgeous. Good. All right. Drop it right there. Beautiful. Look over your right shoulder a little bit more. Beautiful. Smile, ladies. Gorgeous. Because I'm going real fast. You know the Beautiful hole right there, gorgeous. Beautiful. Good. So, do me a favor. Pretend like you kind of look at the hand. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, perfect holder right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. Gorgeous. Beautiful. You got small one, bro? Love it. Gorgeous. Nice. Can I have you guys back? See you guys, sorry. Look over your your right shoulder. Yep. All right, so look over your right shoulder a little bit more. Charm in, more, eyes down. Beautiful. Awesome, stay right there. Give me a little, just a little smile with the lips. Beautiful, stay right there. Hold that. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Can we move that bag right there? Sorry. Can you kill the light? If there's a light coming from that, sorry. Gotcha. Hold right there. Perfect. One more. So here are the rest of the highlights from the wedding day. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Guys, if you enjoyed that video, smash that like button. And if you're new, subscribe to the channel for more. Take care. Peace.